In this video, I will be walking you through the BioCharger accessory box. First, you have your microfiber cloth to use when necessary to clean both the inside and the outside of your BioCharger. Here is the black nylon plug to use to insert at the top of your BioCharger. We provide you a wrench to use during assembly. We also provide you 2 larger flat washers to use during assembly, along with 1 smaller lock washer to use during assembly. This is the coupling nut to also use during assembly process. Here is a small reset pin to use to perform a simple reset. This is your Wi-Fi adapter. This is what connects your Wi-Fi to your BioCharger. Here is the BioCharger stylus to use to navigate the LCD screen on the front of your BioCharger. And lastly, here is the arc rod to also insert at the top of your BioCharger.